Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny Foodie Bites. Inside today we need to developing this here the notifications tabs we need to develop here and to create here the row notification row need to start here. How to write down inside the Flutters? First of all need to create here the home screen inside create here the new folders. Give this here the name notification like this set here the name folder names create here the new files notification underscore screen dot create like this here the file names create here the stateful widgets need to give this here the name notification screen like here import this here the material dependency now need to save here create here the scaffold and we need to develop this here the app bars write down here the app bars center titles need to set here the true set here the text titles we need to set here the notifications styles set here the color recolor primary text and then after set here the font size we need to set here the 17 and font weight set here font weight 700 maybe 600 is good. Now we need to save these screens. We need to configure this here the tabs inside the main tab view. Now need to go and to find out here the third tabs need to set need to 1 2 3 and to set here the notifications screen like here and set here the const value. Now need to save here, select this here the tabs and to show this here the notifications. Need to set this here the titles first of all the fix notifications as need to set here. Now we need to create here the body for this UI. We need to develop here scaffold body. Create here the scaffold inside. We need to create here the list view, chapters. Give this here the context, indexed, and need to return this here. Need to return this here the row. Create here the childs like here the configurations and to returning this here. Create here first of all the chapters need to develop here. Give this here the some width space, height space between the row. Sized box. Give this here the height space. So need to configure this here the 15. Set here the 8 is good. Const value. And we need to set this here the 20 like here. And also need to configure this here the padding. Const edges inset symmetric horizontals need to set this here the 20 and verticals need to set this here the 20 like we need to configure and to set this here save here and now we need to draw here the row we need to create here the new files and we need to set here the notification row underscore row dot dots create here the statelet widgets we need to set here notification row and import this here the material dependency like here we need to cut this here the this code and we need to use this here the notifications save here and we need to write down here notifications John row like here and set here the const value save these screens and this is the configures here the cells now we need to design here the cells. First of all, so need to making here the user image. We need to show here. So need to write down here the image assets. Give this here the now static image. And once we need to copy relative path. Paste this here and to set here the fix width. We need to set here the 50. And height also need to set here the 50. Like here. Set here the fit as a box fit. Cover like configure here. And we need to write down here the wrap with widget. Clip or rect. Border radius circulars need to set this here the 25 save this here and show like this here the UI for this images. Now we need to give this here the some width space size box, give this here the width as a 15 like years, expanded, and we need to set here the column child, and we need to set here the main axis alignment, set here the maybe wrong here's main axis size, set here the minimum, cross axis alignments need to set here the start like here, need to configure here, and inside need to making here the row, need to develop here, need to expand inside, we need to creating here the row, create here the childs, and again need to expand widgets because need to text here the maximum length, we need to given this here this row, that's why we need to put here the text version well, set here the styles, text styles, set here the color, recolor primary text like here, need to set here the font size, we need to set here the 14 and font weight 600 semi, set here, save here, and look like this here the showing here. Now we need to show here the time, we need to copy against this years, paste this years, need to secondary text, need to set here the 12, and regular fonts we need to give this years, and we need to this here the time, save here, and look like this here the show here the times, and another row need to develop here, and subtitles we need to put here outside of this row, give this years, and we need to set this here the max length, set here the one, also need to copy and paste this here the other because every text is one lines, need to set here. Now we need to copy this text, start following you, you need to set here the subtitles or statically and show like this here, give this here the some width space, height space not width space, give this here the for and const value, save here, and similar to designs we need to show this here the UI. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections, I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day, goodbye and take care.